Hi, everybody. Welcome back to school. I hope your winter break was relaxing and enjoyable. Hopefully, you did something fun. Hopefully, you were active in some capacity and not just sitting around bored all the time, and took advantage and got outside a little bit. But we are back in school mode, kind of still, in distance learning. So, again, still try to find time to be active. I know it stinks being on the iPad all day long, but hopefully we can stick to the 19th being our back to hybrid model date. So do what you can to help us so that we can get back in the building sooner. This week's code for Phi-Ed is 2021. What up? Because hopefully this 2021 school year and year in general is just going to go a lot better than 2020. So like I said, that is the code for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in our connection times. Bye.